Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kadachi. Today we will be watching him make a cake and some cookies as we watch two fuckheads messing up and trying to have fun making a cake. Let's get right into it.
I forgot to do an intro. Oh, I gotta think about something.
The intro! Let's go!
The intro, let's get into it! Intro just plays. But welcome to another video, guys. I'm here with my friend. Introduce yourself.
I'm Instant Red, or Red, whatever y'all want to call me.
Yep, I'm gonna add him and put him in the description down below. Put all of his Twitch and socials and everything. I'll even put his phone number.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yo, don't leave me.
I got you guys, don't worry. But today we're doing Cooking with Kadachi and I guess my friend Red. And what you want to make?
What are we cooking today?
We're cooking a cake.
I thought you said let's get into it.
And some cookies. Cause why the hell not?
And some cookies. Okay, so...
Alright, so first...
How do we do that?
You gotta start off with an egg. I broke it. Alright, hold up. Restart. Hold up. Get out, please. Okay, hold up. So I already put chocolate in here, so I guess we're making syrup first. Grab me that whisk. Where's the whisk?
What? This one?
Oh. Appreciate it. Actually, now that I think about it, I can technically turn off the mirror. Where is it? Did that help? That didn't help my recording at all. Alright, hold up. Then you gotta whisk this in while it's in the bowl. Why are you so much taller than me? I don't like that.
I was trying to get level.
Damn
level with you.
Hold on. I got that. Alright, we good. We're chilling now. Then you gotta whisk it like that. And then you gotta grab one of these little pipes, put it inside.
Put it in. Wait, pause.
Hold up. That's a bot!
Hold up. Oh, yo! Sorry.
Alright, now we actually get to making the cake. Hey, this is future Kadachi editing this video. I meant to say cookies, just letting that be known. Oh, we can use this. Nice. Okay, so first, you gotta grab one of these eggs. Gonna pop that in there. Then you're gonna... Where's the whisk? Okay. Then you're gonna want to whisk this. Just like that. I don't know which is which. I don't know what... I'm assuming this is wheat. Alright, I don't put that in yet. Alright, sugar.
Maybe this one?
Yeah, sugar, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait, do it again. I think that's how you do it. I'm... Okay, no, I was wrong. I was wrong completely. I actually forgot how to do this. I haven't done this in so long.
Listen up.
I have not done this in so... Oh, yeah, that's right. Then you need the butter.
With the butter.
Then you gotta whisk the out of this. Alright, wheat, please. So first we're making cookies, so...
Okay.
Again?
Alright.
And again. Okay, thank you. And then you're gonna want to whisk it again. Please. Please? Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Then you're gonna grab this board. Pop it right on there. Just like that. Just for good measure. You're gonna want to spank it. Fucking love that.
For the one time.
And then you're just gonna use this little star-shaped cookie cutter, and you're just gonna... Just like that. You see that? I actually don't know how to make half chocolate and half so yeah. Then you're gonna want to pop that in the I forgot what the fuck it's called. And
the microwave.
The microwave. Thank you. This is why I have an assistant here.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Cause you know I'm a little retarded. And then you're gonna want to stir this again. While that's cooking, you're also gonna want to make the cake. Cause we can do that. Cause my time management is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna want the wheat. Pour that in there. Stir it up.
The cookies are done. I can't.
Oh,
there we go.
perfect.
The cookies are done.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Place those on the tray. Just like that. Just like that. Perfect. We did that beautifully. You see this?
Yeah, I see that.
That is a work
good.
of art. You can frame that. You can frame that. And now we just need a bowl. A plate, I mean.
Oh.
Wrong thing. Hold up. Please, thank you. I'm broken.
Yeah. Some good cookies.
There we go, we're good. Alright. Now that we got the
We can't
cookies,
use that.
we place them right there. Okay, here it is. Now that we got the cake batter, we grab this little pan here, pop it in there, and then you just slap that in the oven.
Slap that boy.
And
yeah.
since we got like nothing else to do, we just wait.
Alright. Can we do anything to these cookies, or are they just plain like that?
They're just plain like that. I mean, I think you can make them chocolate based, but I don't know how to do that. So, oh, we got that. Can I please stop?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Pop this plate. Now, I kind of forgot what you can do. I'm pretty sure you can make this chocolate based. Pop that in there. Where's the whisk? Okay. Now you're gonna want to stir this up in there. Okay. Pretty sure you can just like. Yes, sir. Chocolate based cake.
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate
Wow.
cake. Chocolate
Look
cake.
at that. That's pretty good.
Yo, like this thing looking a little sick. I'll be right back. I'll be...
6.5 hours later.
Alright, but now that we got that, since you my lovely assistant, you can do the decorating of it.
Oh.
That is beautiful.
That goes hard.
That is Picasso.
That's
How
a,
the fuck is there one foot?
that is slight accident, you know?
Okay. That's valid. You're gonna want to put some strawberries on there too. Yup. Just like that.
Oh.
Oh, this is a cake so gorgeous it'll make your girlfriend jealous.
This is
a work of art.
I'll buy for
Oh, and you know what? Where's the... Okay, right here. I don't know what the hell to make it say.
I don't know.
Nigerian prince. No.
Few inches later.
That's an S. That's supposed to be a U. And that's a B. What do you think?
A sub. Okay. Yeah.
Sub.
Oh, right. Oh, I don't know.
I mean, you can place it wherever. That does say subscribe. That does say subscribe. I promise.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe. There we go. Now you know how to make cookies and a beautiful cake in VR chat. I'm not gonna get into how to make, a vanilla cake because that's like too much work, and
You don't have time for that.
Yeah, I can quickly try and like get into it, but like, where's the? I'm gonna speedrun it. I'm gonna speedrun it. Speedrun. Okay, do that. Mix it again, I think. No. Okay. Oh wait, no. Don't you have to do something with this or something? It's too much work. It's honestly too much work. You could just look at this menu and do it. Alright guys, but that's the end of the video. We got a beautiful cake, some beautiful cookies. We're gonna place it right here, because that is Oh, the sub. Come on, you can't forget that. That definitely says sub.
You can't forget that.
But if you guys want to see me and YouTube do another Cooking with Kadachi video again, hey, just subscribe, like the video, and you already know we got tons of different options. We got udon soup, whatever the hell that is. Oh, it's this. I don't think I can cook with that, so maybe never mind on that. We got eye shaver sets. I meant sets. We got a coffee green set. We got an ice shaver, and we got barbecue grills.
And cook some spam.
Oh, bro, the spam go hard. Then you can flip it with your bare hands, Cause you know that's how science works. You
That's
can
how
burn
this
your
works.
hands while you're at it.
You can literally put your hand in here and cook your
Literally.
turn black. Wait, what?
What?
Sorry, what? The spam's done.
Oh yeah. Spam's looking real nice and juicy right now. Hell yeah. Oh my god. We're definitely not gonna get demonetized for this video.
Maybe.
Maybe. But thank you for watching, guys. This was Cooking with Kadachi. Again, if you want to see us do another Cooking with Kadachi video again, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye.
Peace. Bye-bye.
Peace.